Okay, we have almost finished Module 1 of the course, and in this video I want to give you an overview of the seller dashboard. This is the dashboard you'll be working from when you sign up for a seller account with Amazon. Even though it has a very straightforward interface, I think it will be easier for you to understand how it all works if I give you a quick tour with explanations and comments on the most important parts. Amazon does update this dashboard quite frequently with new features and menus, but the overall structure of how it works and looks should mostly remain the same. Okay, let's start with the very top of the page where we have the region selector. This allows you to quickly go to other regional Amazon websites without leaving this page. By default, if you signed up from the UK, you'll have access to the European sites. But if you also sign up for Amazon US and other regions, they will be listed here. You can also change the language for the dashboard, which means you can switch to English even if you're on a non-English site. The search block can be used to quickly find a tool or get support articles on the topic or question you're interested in. Even I sometimes forget where a specific tool or function is located, but it's very easy to find it using this search block. Messages. This is just a shortcut that will go to your message center. Help. This opens up various support options, a shortcut to the user forums and help articles. Settings. Under this section you can find all your account-related settings, such as payment/bank account information, shipping and returns, tax and VAT settings, and others. I won't go into detail on each of these settings as they're self-explanatory, but just so you know, if you need to make any changes to your account information, display name, payment information or tax information, you'll find them under these settings. Next, we have the main navigation menu with various links. Catalog. You can create a new product from this menu and review or access your drafts and selling applications. I don't really use this menu item at all because you can easily create a new product using other menus, as I will show you shortly. Inventory. This is where you access all inventory-related settings and more, such as Manage Inventory. On this page, you will see all your listings along with pricing information, ASIN numbers, stock levels, and more. This page is helpful to quickly see what fees Amazon is charging you, and you can also set different pricing and quantity discounts here for business customers who are VAT registered. Manage FBA Inventory. This is basically the same information as the Manage Inventory page, but with additional information on inbound stock. Inbound stock is stock that is on the way to Amazon and has not been checked in yet. On this page, you can quickly find ASIN and SKU numbers for your products, do quick price changes or access product settings via the Edit button. Pan-European Inventory. We'll talk more about this later in the course, but just so you know, the Pan-European program means that you are registered for VAT numbers in all regional Amazon Marketplace countries and use one inventory pool to serve all the customers in Europe. Again, this is not something you need to worry about at the beginning of your Amazon FBA journey. Inventory Planning. Here, you can quickly see how much excess inventory you have and review your Inventory Performance Index, which we'll cover in a separate video lesson. Amazon also gives us restock inventory alerts and guidance here, which helps you to more efficiently plan ahead for your inventory needs. Add a product. Here, you can quickly and easily create a brand new listing for your Amazon product. Add products via upload. If you have a large inventory that you want to start selling on Amazon, you will use this upload feature. It allows you to efficiently upload hundreds or thousands of products using an Excel, CSV, or text file. Inventory Reports. From this page, you can download your inventory and other reports. I personally don't use this option as I haven't found much use for these reports. There are better reports available from the main reports menu, which we'll cover shortly. Manage Promotions. Here, you can create various product discount promotions, such as 10% off when you buy 2 or more items, buy one get one free offers, and others. Sell globally. Once you have established your sales on your first Amazon Marketplace, you will most likely want to expand internationally too. This is the page where that magic happens. Apart from various sales reports for international marketplaces, using the Build International Listings tool, you can create regional offers, translate listings, and more. Manage FBA shipments. This is a very important page where you can access information on all of the FBA shipments you have created. FBA shipments are basically your shipments to Amazon. We'll go into great detail about how it all works later on in the course. Manage fitment. This is the last option on the inventory settings page. This won't be applicable to 99% of you, as this tool is used to link automotive products to specific car models that the product is suitable for. So, yeah, you can simply ignore this one. Next comes the pricing menu with the following selections. Pricing health. This is where Amazon warns you about any pricing-related issues with your listings. Private label sellers are not really affected by this. View pricing dashboard. This is a very handy page where you can quickly see the buy box rate and performance over time, as well as the average sales conversion across all your products. Manage pricing. This page looks almost exactly like the Manage Inventory page, but here Amazon also shows you sales for each SKU over the last 30 days. Plus, you get a one-click button that allows you to match the lowest price offer. Again, for private label sellers, this is not that important, because we don't have direct competitors selling the same item for various prices. Fix price alerts. Here, Amazon will notify you if your pricing is not competitive. Just like with previous settings, this is not applicable to private label sellers. Automate pricing. This is Amazon's automated system for price management based on competitor pricing activity. It's very handy for people who sell branded goods or do retail arbitrage. But again, for private label sellers like us, there's no real use for these tools, as we don't compete on price with our listings. Fee discounts. Lastly, this is where Amazon publishes special deals for fees and for specific groups of products. I haven't had any such offers yet, as it's mostly geared towards branded goods. Then, we have the Orders main menu, which has the following options. Manage orders. On this page, you will see your customer orders. Order reports. This is where you can download order reports and see data in bulk. Manage invoicing. When you become VAT registered, this is where you activate the automated invoicing for customers, so you don't have to create invoices manually. Upload order-related files. This page is used to upload bulk information for orders you have dispatched. We don't have to use this at all with FBA orders. Manage returns. Here you can manage seller-fulfilled returns. Again, as an FBA seller, you won't have to use this page. The next menu contains all the advertising-related information and settings. Campaign Manager. This is the main advertising page where you create and manage your ad campaigns. A+ Content Manager. For those who plan to join Amazon's brand registry, this is where you create those visually rich descriptions. This was formerly known as Enhanced Brand Content, but Amazon recently changed the name to A+ Content. We'll cover all of this in more detail later on in the course. Early Reviewer Program. This is Amazon's review program, where you can pay £60 to quickly get your first 5 product reviews. Again, we'll cover this in more detail later in the course. Deals. On this page, you can create, manage, and review Amazon Lightning deals. Vouchers. Here, you can create special discounts and offer vouchers to further promote your products on Amazon's marketplace. Next in the main menu is the Stores settings. You can only access this if you have registered your brand with Amazon's brand registry. We'll talk more about this later in the course, but just so you know, this is the menu to go to when you want to access your store settings to create store pages, add products, videos, and more. The next menu item covers the various reports that Amazon provides to us to help us better understand our sales, do tax returns, and more. Payments. On this page, you can access various financial reports and information, download your bi-weekly Amazon settlement reports, and more. Amazon Selling Coach. This is Amazon's very own artificial intelligence-based algorithm that tries to identify selling, advertising, and inventory opportunities to help you grow your business faster. I haven't seen any good tips from this yet, but it's very early days for this new tool, and hopefully in the future it will help us with keywords, ranking, advertising campaigns, and more. Brand Analytics. This simplified research tool shows which listings rank on Amazon for any given keyword, along with the associated click share and conversion share information. Basically, you can use this to analyze the top players for any given keyword and see how clicks and sales are distributed amongst them. Business Reports. You will check this page daily to see how your products are performing. On the main homepage, you can quickly see sales for today, yesterday, and the same day last week and last year. Fulfillment by Amazon. Lots and lots of reports related to your inventory, orders, and sales can be found here. Advertising Reports. On this page, you will find reports for your advertising campaigns. You will need to use them to optimize your PPC campaign settings as shown later on in the course. Returns Reports. Shows returns for both MFN and FBA orders. I like to run these reports for FBA orders once a month to see how many returns I get, what reasons customers have stated for the returns, etc. You do want to know this information, as it will be the first place where any quality-related issues can be spotted. Tax Document Library. This is where you will find all the invoices issued by Amazon for seller fees, FBA fees, and others. Manage your VAT and file your VAT. These two pages are used for people who have signed up for Amazon VAT services. This is not something you have to worry about right now. In the Performance menu, you get access to various account-related performance settings and information, like Account Health. This is where all the defects, complaints, and other account health affecting metrics are displayed. As FBA sellers, we're automatically protected against most of these, so if you're selling high-quality products, you should have no problems with these metrics. Feedback. This shows all the feedback entries left by your customers. If you see negative feedback with a rating of 3 or lower, make sure you try removing it by clicking on the Request Removal button. In most cases, Amazon will remove feedback if it is related to Amazon or FBA problems. A to Z Guarantee Claims. Again, these are only applicable to sellers who don't use FBA and send out orders on their own. In the Amazon Sharks course, I will repeat multiple times that using FBA is the way to go, and it will also help you avoid these A to Z claims. Chargeback Claims. This is when a buyer makes a purchase using a credit card and later on claims to their card company or bank that they haven't made that order. After tens of thousands of orders, I haven't had a single chargeback case. Performance Notifications. These are just account-related notifications from Amazon. Voice of the Customer. This is a new tool that helps sellers better understand how customers feel about the products they buy from us. The Negative Customer Experience, or NCX, basically shows how many problematic returns we have received against total sales. Right now, this is just an informative tool, but I project that in the future, this new indicator will be implemented in the overall account metrics. Seller University. This is a collection of training materials created by Amazon themselves. Their visually rich PDFs are a great way to learn about various aspects of the selling game on Amazon. Of course, Amazon Sharks members have much better training, but sometimes even I find some good information in the Seller University. App Store. On this page, you can find various Amazon apps and services. Most of them are US-based though, If you have any active integrations with your account, you will see them in the Manage Your Apps page. Lastly, we have the B2B settings. This page will only be available if you're VAT registered and have signed up for Amazon's invoicing system. Basically, this page provides separate information on sales, reports that only involve B2B customers, customers who are registered for VAT. In the beginning, you don't have to think about this at all. Okay, now, if we go back to the home page, right below the main menu, there's a quick glance at your financials and other information. Globe icon. This shows in how many Amazon marketplaces you currently have active offers. Orders. This shows pending orders across all Amazon marketplaces. These are orders that haven't been dispatched yet. 7-day sales. A quick overview of the sales in each marketplace. You can also change the date range to 15 or 30 days to see, at a glance, how your sales are going. Buyer messages. This shows how many unread messages you have in each marketplace. By clicking on the number there, if you have any messages, you will go directly to the correct message center to reply to customer queries. Buy box wins. This shows the buy box wins in percentage form for 2 periods, 2 days ago and 30 days ago. This is something you will want to monitor closely. If you see that your buy box win rate suddenly goes down, you will want to investigate what is causing it. Often, it's listing hijackers who have started selling against your listing. More on that later in the course. Then, the main homepage of the account is made up of various blocks, which you can collapse or expand to make up your own unique workspace. Most of the time, I will leave it as it is, by default, so I can see at quick glance what's going on. So, what are the information blocks presented here? On the left side, you will see your orders, a quick overview of your orders for the last day and last 7 days. Performance, some quick links and information to outstanding buyer messages, A to Z guarantee claims and chargeback claims. You will need to monitor this daily in order to quickly reply to customer messages and deal with any other issues. A customer feedback excerpt is also displayed here at the bottom part of the widget. In the middle section, we have notifications. This is where Amazon displays important seller-related notifications. News, the latest news from Amazon. Amazon Selling Coach. This widget will display any alerts from the Amazon Selling Coach. As I said, I haven't found much use for this right now, but hopefully this feature will improve in the future. Amazon Business. A quick link to your VAT and business pricing settings. Then, on the right side, we have the following blocks of information. Payments Summary. This shows your most recent payment as well as your current balance. Manage your case log. A quick overview and link to your support cases with Amazon Seller Support. Sales Summary. A detailed sales summary for the selected Amazon Marketplace for today, the last 7 days, last 15 days, and last 30 days. Inventory Planning. Shows your inventory performance index, restock alerts, excess inventory, and stranded inventory. Inventory-related notifications are also displayed here. List globally. This shows how many active listings you have in regional Amazon marketplaces. Seller Poll. This is just a random poll run by Amazon to get seller feedback on various questions. At the very bottom of the page, we also have direct links to all the sub-menu items we just covered. I don't usually use these, but just so you know, if you forget where a function or piece of information is located, you can use the footer menu to access all of the settings with just one click, and without going through the main menu. Okay, that's it for now. I did not cover every single function and page here as it would take too much time, and I'm sure you would find it too boring to watch. The most important functions will be covered separately in later videos in this course, so there's no need to cover them in detail right now. Also, I encourage you to simply browse through your seller dashboard and click on every link you can find to see what the page or function is all about. This is the best and quickest way to learn how these things work. Don't forget about the support. I have found Amazon's support very friendly and fast to deal with. You can call them during business hours, use the live chat function, or create a ticket. I would recommend calling or using live chat when you've got simple questions, like when you can't figure out how to do one thing or another. Use the ticket system for more complex situations, as Amazon has lower qualified people working the live chat, and most of the time they will simply create a ticket anyway and forward it to a more qualified support staff member. And that's it for this video. I hope it has helped those of you who are new to Amazon and are seeing the seller dashboard for the first time. We're almost finished with Module 1 of this course, so let's get on to the next video.